Hello, my dear students. Now I am here with the topic of ancient civilization, part 2 for the class of 6th standard, and it is a part of history. In last video, students, you saw about how the civilization has been taken, which civilization from civilization birth. In last in last civilization, you have learned about Egyptian civilization. Civilization. Mesopotamian civilization in the area that lies between Greece and Indus in modern Iraq. These is two rivers. From these two rivers, the Mesopotamian civilization has been taken birth or has been originated. In Greek, Mesopotamian means the land between the rivers. These regions ruled by Sumerians, Babylonians, Hittites, Assyrians and Neo-Babylonians. These are the peoples who ruled this civilization. Now let us see the history of Mesopotamian civilization. Sumerians were responsible for one of the first civilization in this region. The first civilization created by Sumerians. Important states of Mesopotamian civilization. Sumerians used cuneiform system of writing on wet clay slates. Akkadians ruled after Sumerians. They were conquered by Babylonians. After Sumerians, other that Akkadian ruled and was conquered by Babylonians. Later, Amorites, another Semitic tribe, ruled from Babylonian. They brought the Akkadian state under their control and established a large state. Now let us see about important rulers of this Mesopotamian civilization. That is Hammurabi. He is the first famous king among Babylonians. He was famous for his code of laws. His code of laws is based on ideas like an eye for an eye and tooth for a tooth. Babylonian rule was followed by Cassius and Hittites, who ruled for time. To raise role was Babylonians. Okay, they used to follow this code of laws. See the ruler that is Ashurbanipal. Hittites and Ashurbanipal was the last king of warrior, also a poet. He founded a royal library with 9 that Nabonidus. After Assyrians, another Semitic tribe, the Chaldeans, Babylon. The Nizar came along. Hanging Garden, which is one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. He created who? Nabonidus, the Hanging Garden, which was in ancient times. It is old. I said in last friends and wonders. A garden came under the world and were not present. Okay, finally about 2500 years ago, Emperor Cyrus conquered the city of Babylonia, which resulted in the downfall of Mesopotamia. Got it, students? These was about the 3 rulers about this civilization who rule in the civilization. Now let us see another thing, that is about this civilization, that is the contribution of Mesopotamian civilization. Mesopotamians were the first to adapt the code of laws in the world. Got it? Next, Hammurabi was the first ruler to enforce the code of laws. He prohibited abuse of slaves in his They had established trade relationship with Harappa and Egyptian civilization. Trade is nothing but student business. So what they had established or started or introduced a relationship with the trade relationship with Harappa and Egyptian civilization. High-rise temples named zagorot were built here. In Mesopotamian civilization, they used to build a high-rise temples that is named zagorot. Cuneiform script was used by these people. As you know the meaning of cuneiform, it is a script writing. The people used to prefer this. Mesopotamian civilization. Gilgamesh is a great epic poem of Mesopotamians. God students, this was all about the contributions of Mesopotamian civilization, and you have learned about here in this civilization how it has been taken birth and which races or peoples who rule here, about the races, names of the races who rule in this civilization, and about the political contributions and also the contribution of whatever contribution during year. Now it's for you students to note it all the important points, so it will for you to answer any question. So thank you. In next video I will bring you another information about the civilizations. Thank you.